Hey there, internet-savvy folks.
Tom here, your finance and wealth coach.
Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to make money online? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to share with you the 10 steps to make money online. 1. Find your niche. Finding your niche is all about discovering what you're passionate about and what you have expertise in. By choosing a niche that you're passionate about, you'll be more motivated to create content and build a following. And by having expertise in your niche, you'll be able to provide valuable insights and attract a loyal audience. Whether it's photography, cooking, or even astrology, you need to find a niche that you can excel in. 2. Build a website or blog. Once you've found your niche, it's time to build a website or blog. This will be your online hub where you can share your expertise and attract an audience. You can use website builders like Wix or WordPress to create a professional-looking site without any coding skills. You can also choose to purchase a domain name and hosting to give your site a more personalized touch. By consistently creating content and promoting your site, you can build a loyal following that will tune in to read your posts. 3. Create content. Creating content is key to building a following and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media content, you should be consistently creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. This will help you attract more followers and build a community around your brand. This could include creating videos on YouTube, posting photos on Instagram, or even creating TikTok videos. By creating content, you can expand your reach and attract new followers. 4. Monetize your content. Once you've built a following, it's time to start monetizing your content. One way to do this is by placing ads on your website or blog.
You can sign up for programs like Google AdSense or affiliate marketing programs to start earning money from clicks and purchases.
You can also create sponsored content or sell products related to your niche to monetize your content. By doing so, you can turn your passion into a lucrative business. 5. Become a freelancer. If you have skills in areas like writing, graphic design, or programming, you can become a freelancer. Freelancing allows you to work on your own schedule and from anywhere in the world. You can use websites like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients who need your services. 6. Teach online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can teach online courses. Websites like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to create and sell your own courses to students around the world. By teaching online courses, you can share your knowledge and earn money at the same time. 7. Sell products on e-commerce platforms. If you're interested in selling physical products, you can do so on e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Etsy. You can create your own products or source products from other sellers to resell. By creating your own products or reselling existing ones, you can reach a larger audience and earn money from sales. There are interesting ways where you can combine Printify with Etsy and build a print-on-demand business where you only create the design and these platforms do the rest for you. Some examples are T-shirts and apparel. Use Printify to create custom T-shirts and other apparel with your own designs, then sell them on Etsy. You can choose from a variety of products and materials, and Printify handles the printing and shipping. Home decor. Create unique home decor items like wall art or throw pillows with Printify, then sell them on Etsy. You can use your own designs or choose from a wide selection of pre-made designs. Home decor is a popular category on Etsy, and by using Printify you can create high-quality, custom products that stand out from the competition. 8. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrency can be a risky but potentially lucrative way to make money online. By doing your research and making smart investments, you can earn significant returns on your money. However, it's important to note that investing involves risk, so it's important to do your due diligence and only invest money that you can afford to lose. Some methods are stock market investing. It is to purchase shares of a company that you believe will perform well in the future. If the company's stock price increases, you can sell your shares for a profit. You can invest in individual stocks through brokerage accounts like Robinhood or E-Trade. ETF investing. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are a type of investment that holds a collection of stocks, bonds, or other assets. You can invest in ETFs to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. You can invest in ETFs through brokerage accounts or investment apps like Betterment or Wealthfront. Cryptocurrency investing. Investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum can be a high-risk, high-reward investment. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile and their value can fluctuate rapidly. However, if you believe in the long-term potential of a particular cryptocurrency, you can purchase it and hold onto it until the price increases. You can invest in cryptocurrency through cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Robo-advisors. If you're not comfortable managing your investments on your own, you can use a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront. These services use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. 9. Get paid for surveys or testing products. There are websites that will pay you for completing surveys or testing products. While the pay may not be significant, it can be a good way to earn extra money in your free time. Websites like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars offer paid surveys and product testing opportunities. 10. Network and collaborate with other online creators. Finally, it's important to network and collaborate with other online creators in your niche. By partnering with others, you can expand your reach and attract new followers. You can collaborate on projects, guest post on each other's websites, or even create joint products. Building relationships with other creators can also provide a support system and help you stay motivated on your online journey. And there you have it, the 10 steps to make money online. Remember, building a successful online career takes time and effort, but with dedication and passion, anyone can turn their hobby into a career. So, get out there, find your niche, and start making money doing what you love.